The overload session follows the same fundamental principles of core training, but with a fixed speed of tracking. Instead of the speed adapting after each trial, NeuroTracker automatically adapts your current core baseline to calculate the optimal overload speed setting for your level. The purpose of overload is to help users become accustomed to speeds that are just above their threshold level. Overload tracks the total number of successful targets selected throughout each session, and for this reason, there are no trial fails. The running total can be followed at the top of the screen. Following 20 trials, the speed threshold score is calculated based on the total number of correct targets selected, relative to the speed at which the session was performed.